Mr. Matthew, my name is Judge Henry. You have two charges this morning. You have got a fugitive from justice warrant out of Virginia for abduction of a person with intent to defile. You have got a Galveston County charge of false information to a peace officer. Your bond is denied on the fugitive from justice warrant. Your bond in the Galveston County charge is $1,500. Do you understand that? Do you understand that?
Yeah.
Okay, you have the right to retain counsel. You have the right to remain silent. You have the right to have attorneys present during interviews with peace officers or attorneys representing the state. You have the right to terminate that interview at any time. You have the right to request appointment of counsel if you're indigent and cannot afford counsel. You have the right to an examining trial. You are not required to make a statement. Any statement made by you may be used against you. Do you understand your rights as I've read them to you?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Okay, you're not entitled to a court-appointed attorney on the fugitive from justice warrant except to fight extradition. Are you requesting a court-appointed attorney for your fugitive from justice warrant out of Virginia?
No.
Okay, are you out on bond for any other offense?
Mm-mm.
Are you requesting a court-appointed attorney for your Galveston County charge?
No, not right now.
Okay, you have the right to change your mind at any time. The deputy's going to have you sign four times actually, acknowledging that I read you your rights. You're not entering a plea this morning and declining a court-appointed attorney on both charges. Again, you can change your mind at any time.
Oh. And sir, I got a question for you.
Okay.
Like, they took all my clothes and they got me sleeping on a hard thing. I don't feel like I'm I should be able to have some kind of clothes.
You appear to me to be dressed in a jumpsuit.
Well, once I get back, they're going to take my jumpsuit off and tell me I have to take my jumpsuit off. And
Medical has to clear you out of medical. That's a requirement of medical. So once medical sees you and clears you, and they move you to another cell, then they'll give you the jumpsuit back.
when did that happen?
The deputies probably would know better than I would. I assume sometime this morning.
Yeah, just something like that. I'll talk to you.
When did the medical come in?
I honestly don't know. I don't work medical, but I'll ask when we get back.
Is this for Virginia?
Yes.
So what is the Virginia one again?
The Virginia warrant is a fugitive from justice warrant. The underlying charge is abduction of a person with intent to defile.
Something like that.
And if I sign this, what does this say?
It only says that I read you your rights. You're not entering a plea of any kind this morning.
Right there.
Now I was going to have you sign 2 times saying that you're not requesting a court-appointed attorney this morning. Again, on your Galveston County charge, you can change your mind. On your Virginia charge, that's only to say that that's not who you are, they've got the wrong person, and you should not be extradited.
What? I'm sorry.
That's okay. Requesting a court-appointed attorney for the fugitive from justice warrant out of Virginia would only be to fight extradition, basically saying that you're not the person on the warrant, that they've got the wrong person, and that you should not be extradited back to Virginia.
If I sign it?
I'm going to ask you to sign either way, either requesting a court-appointed attorney or declining consideration for a court-appointed attorney.
Oh, okay.
If you request one, the only thing that attorney can do for you is challenge the validity of the warrant and fight your extradition back to Virginia. We have all the signatures, Deputy?
Yes, sir.
All right, we're done.